Introducing the LRS, the Liquid Recycling System by D&P Group. In modern industrial environments, coolant management is critical. Contaminated or degraded coolant reduces machine performance, increases costs, and generates waste. The LRS is engineered to solve exactly that. The LRS is a complete system for filtering and regenerating industrial coolants, extending their lifespan, reducing disposal costs, and keeping your machines running at peak efficiency. At the heart of the LRS is its fully integrated control architecture. The LRS main panel gives operators complete command over the system. The LDSM and LDSA panels are part of a parallel integrated subsystem called the Liquid Dosing System, designed for managing, filling, and analyzing the coolant. All modules are fully interoperable and can be seamlessly integrated with each other. The pumping system is designed for continuous, high-performance fluid transfer. Heavy-duty pumps circulate coolant through the system, supported by a network of precision piping and valves that ensure consistent flow and pressure throughout the process. Coolant passes through a multi-stage filtration circuit. High-capacity tanks store and separate fluids, while the DEP CFS, a dedicated 20-inch high-performance filter, removes contaminants, fine particles, and oil residues. The filtration stage also includes an antibacterial treatment and a UV lamp for effective control of bacterial loads. The integrated oil separator, the DEP ORC, efficiently divides emulsified coolant from free oils, recovering clean, reusable fluid. The result is regenerated coolant, ready to return to your machines with performance restored and waste minimized. The LRS by D&P Group. Smarter coolant management, cleaner production, a better future for your industrial operations.